Go ahead and give them a like for a great bass demo we're about to hear. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Take a puff and all my feelings go away. I'm painless. I'm swimming dead. We gon' hit up with the stainless way. And where you been? The money changing on your friends. Now you caving in. Hard to say no, like it hurts. They can't comprehend. Feel like I've been through the worst and they don't understand. Know they want me in the ground with the dirty sand. But it's the happening. I know you niggas capping when it comes down to this rapping. My whole life been a savage, never been the one for acting. Out in Cali, Calabasas, eating sushi with a cabbage. Run my honey out, never living way better.
Maybe not.
What's going on, man?
What's up, man?
So your name, what's in here, man?
So I'm Johnny, and I got 4 Sundown XV315s, 2 Wolfram 9Ks, and half foam each. Eclipse 16K and some change. 105 amp hours of yin long, 240 and a 270 CES alt. And yeah, that's about it. It does. It'll do a 60 on a tone. Demoing probably 59. So
Wow. Okay.
yeah, everybody. It surprises a lot of people.
Did you build this into the vehicle or slide in?
I built it in.
Build it in?
Yeah.
Got more space, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Very nice. That looks good.
Yeah, it's coming along. Still got a few things to do here and there.
Yeah.
I still ain't done my doors. We built a console.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's working progress.
So the amps are on the side?
Yeah, you can check them out whenever we get them.
Do you know your cubic space on it?
22 net, or 22 gross, about 16 net.
Alright.
Tuned to 29, it peaks at around 37. I'm gonna give you about a 37, 38.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Alright. You want window up or down, or you do your thing?
Really, whatever you want. I could do both.
Okay, yeah, we'll do both. We'll do first window up and then down. Right. So here, man. That's good. Oh, your tweeters are right here. Okay.
Yeah, something a little bit different.
Yeah, I like it.
So last year I had 4 Scar EVL 15s on one 9K and only had 35 amp hours. If you remember, it was one bank
right here.
that 9K. Yeah.
Same vehicle?
Same vehicle.
Okay.
I got a 240 and a 270 alt right now.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, big upgrades.
You happy with it?
I'm happy with this section. I need to do my doors. And I'm gonna build me a console in here, like I said.
Sir.
But other than that, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Awesome. Nice job, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. Have you had any glass issues with the bracing, or is it pretty solid?
I have not had an issue yet, which has surprised me. You know, I got a couple of chips. I got one right there.
Yeah, that happens. Yeah.
It moves pretty decently, but I ain't had no problems. Outside handle.
Outside. Bass will break everything.
Yeah, it will. Check out the amps.
Yep. What?
I said me next.
Oh yeah. Wow. Go ahead and give them a like for a great bass demo we're about to hear. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I'm looking forward to showing y'all this crazy subwoofer flex demo from Johnny. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2022. Getting to upload it. Went ahead and put his previous system demo in the description. This was the thumbnail at the time. Definitely recommend checking that out after this demo to see how much louder he's got. So the only thing I have to say, because he's given us so much information about his build, is notice his driver port. He added little PVC roundovers. That little roundover probably helped him gain some SPL score, maybe a little bit better bandwidth or a lower in response. So he did a good job with everything. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos every day, and enjoy this crazy demo. Are you wired down on the amplifier? Like half ohm or 0.3?
Half ohm each amp.
Okay.
Restart it.
Let's have it down for the next song. Put it down.
Dude, I can see daylight.
Yeah, yeah. The bass pressure popped it out of the window panel. It still goes up and down, just it pops out of the seal.
Yeah,
Go ahead, do your thing.
Yeah.
Sorry, you made me sneeze. Oh. Nice, wow, man.
Big jump from last year.
I like it. I'm sorry, the bass makes me sneeze. It's loud. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.